Howdy y'all, so here's attempt number 2. A lot of people suggested dragons in the giveaway video I did. So what I'm going to do is try to do at least all the mythical creatures everybody mentioned. This here is just going off of wanting to create more bumper stickers for my Etsy store, so I did the mermaid one, and then I was just like, ooh, dragons have tails, let's do a dragon. So that's what this is. Definitely am improving with each, project I do on Procreate, and I'm just experimenting with brushes, and, watching tutorials on YouTube, and, but I do have a question for people who currently use Procreate. I'm poor, so if you all know a good place to get some free brushes and free fonts for Procreate, I would really appreciate if you'd would put links in the comments down below, or just let me know where I can acquire those. But yeah, here's this dragon, another get off my tail bumper sticker I'm working on. The galaxy in the back was a random occurrence. I just was playing around with the brushes some more and was having a good old time. Still working on figuring out font in Procreate at this point, so I just went with drawing my own letters because I was getting frustrated. But I'm really proud of this one. I really achieved some glow that I wanted to achieve, and this light. So anyway, I hope you like it. I'm gonna try to get bumper stickers ordered soon. Funds are currently a little tight where I just bought this tablet, but if you guys want to visit my Etsy store and show it some love, I'd appreciate that, and any interactions with this video will help me a lot too. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.